Dewalt straight from super terrific factory in Hongdong, Chong will make sure you will love tool storage long time. This wonderful, amazing German designed yet Chinese built mostly plastic, partly noxious yet stunning big black toolbox will drive you wild with amazing amazement. All you need to do is release the latching drawer, front latching latch, put any various items you wish to hide from your significant other inside, and close the drawer in question, leaving you guilt-free and feeling like a real boss bitch? Dewalt Super Chinese German Deutschland Child Labor Make Happy Toolbox. Dewalt.
I'm back. Yay. If you're on the fence, you want to know, should I get the double drawer Toughsystem 2.0 box? Should I get the triple drawer Toughsystem 2.0 box? It's simple. Toughsystem 2.0 box. You got a lot of shallow items. You don't need a lot of depth. Get one of these. Not very deep, really, a couple inches. Triple drawer, double drawer, deeper, look. I can put a tool in there. Got my nail gun in there. You've got a good, 3.5, 4 inch, something like that. You can put hoagies in there, really. You could put Subway sandwiches in there. This one, not really, not very deep. Little flat items. There we go. Looks to be 2.25 inches, okay, on the triple drawer. Just shy of, I would say, 3 15, 16, just shy of 4 inches right there. I have found personally much more valuable. It's neat because I have options of what size. Obviously, you have options. You can put bigger things in there. You are limited to smaller profile items. You got your C-clamps, you got your knives, you got your little tool cases, crap like that, blades, wheels, clamps, little pry bar. It's neat to have more categories. You got more categories with different drawers. Yes, true, but you don't have as many items as far, you don't have as many options as far as larger items. So I would say, they take up the same amount of space. You have more versatility with the 2 drawer. I wouldn't even mess with the triple drawer unless you just like the number 3. It's kind of stupid to get, personally. That's why I have several, because I make stupid choices. I just got 2, don't I? Don't I just have 2? Maybe. Yeah, I just have 2, because I have a double here. So I have 3 doubles, 2 triples. Listen to what I have figured out. Don't make the same mistake I did and just get yourself the double drawers. You'll thank me later. You probably won't even watch this, so who cares, right? BBC, double drawer. Don't mess with the triple drawer. It's simple. The simplest way I can put it to you, it's simple. My loyal few, spring for the doubles. Don't mess with the triples unless you have a lot of small items. It's good for holding nail polish and maybe fishing tackle and, small bags of candy. Subway sandwiches, hoagies. You could put really, you're eating a bowl of cereal in the shop and somebody comes up, you don't want to see you're eating a bowl of cereal, put it in here. You can do lots of things. You can probably store the same amount of contraband, just tinier packages. Can you say contraband on YouTube? Maybe. I don't know, don't care. Get the double drawer, not the triple. I'm going to zoom in for effect so you can enjoy how beautiful they are. And then I'm going to leave you because I'm kind of moving on to something else, so suck on that.
Look at this toolbox with 2 drawers. Toolbox by Dewalt from Child Labor Hongdong, Chong Factory in Lukchao Province, China, but designed by angry Germans in Deutschland. You can put large snacks in here, really? You can. Yai, China, Germany. Now look at this toolbox with 3 smaller drawers by Dewalt, most likely also from Child Labor, Hongdong, Chong Factory in Lukchao Province in China, with 3 drawers, but they are smaller to hold things that are not as big. It's physics Einstein, think about it. The Asian Germans who designed it must have been even angrier, as it will not hold most items that fat, lazy Americans need to get their sausages around when they want to pick them up. Yay, angry Deutschland, China carcinogen, happy fun time.
There you have it. Simple difference. You may have more drawers, but you don't have as deep an option. Much better to have deeper drawers, and I'm sure you would agree. If not, it's free country.